Yo, all right. So we doing a market recap for today. I didn't take any trades. I was on live with someone else. I didn't really go live. I didn't go live today. I was just somebody else was live. We was trading together. Just decided like it wasn't worth it because I knew the price action wasn't really gonna be what it was. So I decided to not trade it. But let's get into it. So we looked in the 4 hour today. Um, so it looks like it took a big dip. So it's dipping. It kind of reclosed this gap right here. This gap kind of reclosed this gap, and it was still coming down. This is at the time that I was trading at. I did a replay back. Um, so it was coming down. Then you go into 1 hour. So I'm seeing that the price action is very bearish, and I see it's still coming down. Had a retest up, but it came down. It just looked like it was just reaching into this fair value gap right here. I don't really trade fair value gaps. I don't trade the ICT model. I trade my own model. But I just include FVG in there because it's important because FVG really actually shows that like when there's three big engulfing candles for either each way going bullish or bearish, it shows that it taps back into that and then respects it. If it doesn't respect it, then you have something going the next way, and that's when you play off levels. So right here, it tapped back in as you can see on the 1 hour. Let's go to 15. I'm gonna do this so you don't see 15. So you go to the 15 at the time. So this is in the morning. Um, it was starting to become more. Or is that what 9? It's starting to become bullish. So you see, it came down, starting to become bullish, but not on the higher time frames yet. Uh, 5 minute. Yeah, everything was bullish at this point. This is pre-market. I don't trade pre-market. I just look at it, make sure everything's good. So you see, very very bullish. So it came down, dropped, took out these lows, came back down to this low. It respected this low right here, as you can see. If you zoom out, it was definitely respected this low. See, it respected that low. Oh wait, no, it actually broke that low. My bad. Um, it broke that low. It didn't respect it. It took out the lows. Whoever took that was eating probably overnight and stuff like that. Took out those lows. So around 5 a.m. it started becoming bullish. It started getting some bullish action. So this is pre-market. So keep in mind, usually what happens in what markets you either go, okay, so in London session, if London is bearish, you're gonna get the same. You're gonna get like the opposite. It's gonna be bullish in New York. Usually they play off each other. So if one is doing that one, then the other session is gonna do the next. So it plays like that kind of. Um, so it's bullish. So if we play forward, I'm gonna go to one times. If you play forward, as you see the market's coming. See the market's coming down, coming down, coming down. So at this time, the market opens. Market opens. I realized there's not gonna be bullish at all. Just because how bullish it was before. You already know when it's this bullish, you're obviously gonna get like a drop or something because it's too bullish already, and the market didn't even open. So it's so much bullish action that you know you're gonna get bearish action. And I don't trade bearish. I'm not a bearish trader. When I try to trade bearish, that's when I start messing up things. So I'd rather stick to um. Hold on, 1 sec. Um, what the fuck? All right, cool. Um, so as you can see right here, it was playing, it was dropping. So I was in the cord looking at this live. It was dropping. I don't trade. Look, big drops, big drops. And as you can see, I had put. So this is what I would trade if I was a bearish trader, I would trade it from here because as you can see, it's coming down. We missed that opportunity. It came back up a little bit. Came back up a little bit. kind of tapped back into what was right here, came back up, dropped down. So respected this, wicked off that, came back down. I would have got him right here, and then I would have took it to the next low that I said it off this zone right here. So if you play it, respects. It respected this right here twice. So that means it's gonna keep going down. Momentum. Then officially it would have hit the TP. And then it bounced right off the zone. Keep in mind, right off the zone. And now it's playing off the with the markets. You see, look, it's kind of balancing out. You know, it's New Year's Eve, so it's not going to be too much volatility. I mean, it's a lot of sells. We kind of needed the sells if we want to go bullish again, because it was very bullish this whole week. So since it's bullish the whole week, you need some type of sells in play. So this is a big sell, dropped a little bit, just respected down here. So I'm pretty sure tomorrow, bank holiday, I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. I know Friday I'm coming back at it crazy. Um, on Friday when it comes, I'm coming back crazy. So, but yeah, it's playing around in this area. It kind of created a zone, created a support right here. If there was any moves, I doubt it will push all the way up here. It might, to be honest, it might just like what I would take. I'm not trading for the rest of the day, but it might play that as if, but I doubt there's enough volatility right now since it's 2 o'clock that it's gonna play off that. It might just play around in this area, come up a little, play around, just play around in this area. But if that happens and I just have this mocked up, I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna just paper trade it. But yeah, so that's what the market is for today. Um, you feel me? It's December 31st. New Year's tomorrow. We gotta come. We gotta come this year strong. We gotta go strong this year. If we don't go strong this year, bro, it's not worth it. You want it to be worth your while. You want to actually show people that you're willing to grind and put in the time. You feel what I'm saying? If people don't believe in you, just prove them wrong. Use it as fuel and grind, bro. Just grind. Like I have a year under my belt. I'm gonna make it, and I know I am. I feel it, and God feels it too. So always keep God first. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave a comment for what other videos you want. I'm gonna start streaming live on TikTok. Once I gotta get access to that. I gotta start posting videos on TikTok. So tune into the TikTok. I'll link it in the bio. And yeah, tune in. It's gonna be a great year. 2026 is ours. Let's take this by surprise. Come on, let's get it. I'm gonna catch you on the next video.